Hi friends, welcome to this video. Now I want to show you this new product that is a vegetable dehydrator, and you can use it for your vegetables. So let me open it. I want to show you how it looks and how it use it. You can use it when you are making salads or when you're gonna use so much vegetables in your food. So this is the recipients came with this number, so you have to know the liquid, how much liquid are inside. It's obviously have this part is anti-slip, so you don't have to worry for accidents in your kitchen. In this part are this. Here came your vegetables, and this part is here for help your product to move in circles. And you put this here, and with this part, let me show you more. Have this bottom, so you can put this down when you don't use your dehydrator, and you use this, and when you push this, your product just start moving in circles and help you to remove all the liquids of your vegetables. And if you want to stop it, just push this. So let's go use it. I'm gonna wash some spinach right here. Just a little. I'm gonna wash this with some water. Now, as you can see, my spinach has so much water, and I'm gonna put it here. You can help you with some paper towels around the white part, absolutely obviously. And now we're gonna use it, and let me see how it works. You can use it with the spinach, with col or another vegetable that you need to have more dry for the use. You can put some tomatoes or anything that you need. So let's go see. These are our spinach are so much dry that they start, and here is all the water that my spinach haven't. And as I say, if you want to dry more easy, you can help you with towel papers or something like that in this part, and you put this, and you just make sure that all the water is absorbed. So if you make some more salads or things like that, this product is for you. It will make your life so easy, and your salads are be perfect. So I highly recommend it. See you.